Distinctive characters of aves. First, feather-clothed, air-breathing, warm-blooded, oviparous, bipedal, flying vertebrates. मीन्स वो अंडे भी देते हैं, दो पैरे उड़ने वाले vertebrates है वो. Second, body is more or less spindle shaped. Like this type of shape is spindle shaped and divisible into four distinct regions. First, head, neck, trunk and tail. Jaw bones prolonged into a toothless beak or bill. जबड़े का दांत लंबा होकर beak बन जाता है. Neck is long and flexible. Tail is short and stumpy, means thick. Third, limbs are two pairs. Forelimbs are modified as wings for flying. Hind limbs or legs are large and variously adapted for walking, running, scratching, perching means resting, food capturing, swimming or wading. Wading means walking on water. Each foot usually bears four clawed toes, of which the first or hallux is directed backward. First toe is also known as hallux. Fourth, exoskeleton. Exoskeleton means outer surface is made by feathers and leg is covered by scales. Endoskeletons mean inner body, fully ossified, bony, hollow bones, which contain air called pneumatic bones and have no marrow. Bones are hollow, which contains air, and also known as pneumatic bones, and bone have no marrow. Then skull, monocondylic skull, only one hemisphere, bearing a single occipital condyle. 7. Lower jaw or mandible consists of 5 or 6 bones and articulates with quadrate. निचला जबड़ा 5 और 6 बोन्स होता है लोअर जबड़े में and articulates with quadrate. Skin dry without glands, but on tail, well gland or parent gland present. Skin is dry, but in tail well gland is present, also known as prin gland. And then 9. Eye telescopic and monocular. Single vision for single eye. Eye large, nictitating membrane covered the eye. 10. Sternum, bone of the chest. Large, usually with a vertical mid-ventral gill for attachment of large flight muscles. 11. Heart, four-chambered. Four-chambered heart. Absence of sinus venosus and truncus arteriosus. Both are absent. RBC nucleated. Renal portal system vestigial. Nucleated RBC is present in birds. 12. Warm-blooded. Birds are warm-blooded. Body temperature is regulated. 13. Respiration by compact, spongy, non-distensible lungs. Lungs is compact, spongy and non-distensible. Continues with thin-walled air sac. 14. Three-lobed metanephric kidney. Kidney is three-lobed and metanephric. Ureter open into cloaca. Directly open into cloaca ureter. Urinary bladder are absent, so that ureter directly open into cloaca. Birds are urotelic. 15. Sexes separated. Sexual dimorphism often well marked. Male has a pair of abdominal testes and a pair of sperm duct. Female has a single functional left ovary and oviduct. Sexes separated means male and female are differentiated. 16. Internal fertilization occurs in bird, preceded by copulation and courtship. Copulation and courtship के द्वारा internal fertilization होता है. 17. Parental care is well marked, means parental care is observed in the birds like that of amphibians.